In a world dominated by AI filters, saturated colors, and endless editing options, what if the most radical camera of 2025 doesn't shoot in color at all? While everyone else is chasing digital perfection, Leica is going the other way, quietly building something that challenges our idea of modern photography. Meet the Leica Q3 Monochrom. It's not a flashy spec update or a trendy gimmick. It's a bold reminder that photography can be about depth, emotion, and storytelling, not just megapixels. This camera doesn't want to please the masses. It's made for those who know that creativity thrives under limits. There's no color, no distractions, just light, shadow, and truth. The Q3 Monochrom isn't just another camera. It's a statement, a philosophy, maybe even a rebellion. If you've ever wondered what it means to truly see differently, this might just be your moment. Welcome back to Technify. Let's dive in. The Leica Q series has always walked the line between high-end engineering and artistic purpose. The original Q was a game-changer, packing a full-frame sensor and a superb 28mm Summilux lens into a sleek, compact body. It didn't just work well, it inspired photographers. Then came the Q2. With its 47MP sensor and refined user experience, it raised the bar even higher. But things shifted dramatically with the Q2 Monochrom. Leica didn't just remove color, they redefined what black and white photography could mean in a digital age. Now, the Q3 Monochrom carries that legacy forward, and then some. This camera isn't just the Q3 with the color filter array removed. It's been rebuilt from the inside out specifically for black and white photography. Sources suggest it'll feature a newly developed 60MP full-frame sensor that's tailor-made for monochrome. With no color filter, more light hits each pixel. That means stunning improvements in tonal range, shadow depth, and low-light capability. Where other cameras might flatten gray areas, the Q3 Monochrom slices through them, rendering light and dark with unmatched clarity and precision. But Leica isn't stopping with just hardware. One of the most exciting features may be the addition of film emulation modes. These aren't your average filters. This is Leica bringing their rich analog history into the firmware. Imagine being able to shoot with digital recreations of legendary films like Tri-X, Plus X, or Technical Pan, right from the menu. That makes the Q3 Monochrom not just a camera, but a bridge between eras, modern detail with the soul of analog photography. The lens. Expect the return of the iconic 28mm f/1.7 Summilux. But Leica is reportedly tuning it further for black and white use. That means refined micro-contrast, improved rendering of tones, and bokeh that's smoother and more film-like than ever before. Early rumors even describe it as having liquid bokeh, a term we don't hear often, but one that hints at serious visual magic. The electronic viewfinder also gets an upgrade. This time, it's a custom OLED display designed specifically for monochrome preview. Instead of interpreting a color image into black and white, what you see is what the sensor sees, directly. It's a new level of trust between photographer and camera. No guessing. Just instinctive framing in light and dark. Design-wise, the body continues Leica's commitment to minimalism and function. Built from a new aluminum alloy, it's expected to be lighter yet tougher than before. Finishes will include a classic silver and a new stealth matte black that resists reflections. A dream for street photographers who prefer to stay unnoticed. And let's be clear, the Leica Q3 Monochrom is not for everyone. That's what makes it special. It's for those who want to slow down, to be intentional. Without color, there's no fix-it in post. Every frame counts. Every exposure matters. This is photography with purpose. In fact, what some might see as limitations, Leica sees as strengths. Because while most brands try to be everything for everyone, this camera chooses to be excellent at one thing: black and white storytelling. In terms of competition, nothing comes close. Other brands might offer monochrome modes or filters, but those are software tricks. Leica's Monochrom series, especially this Q3, builds from a philosophy, not just a feature list. It's not about mimicking the look. It's about honoring the medium. The Q3 Monochrom doesn't ask you to change how you shoot. It simply offers you a different question. What if you already wanted to shoot like this? In a world overflowing with image manipulation, instant edits, and constant distraction, the Leica Q3 Monochrom invites us to pause, to look again, to see more by seeing less. It doesn't just take photos, it strips them down to their essence. This camera isn't here to impress, it's here to challenge. It asks, can you embrace limits? Can you tell stories in only light and shadow? Can you shoot with meaning instead of convenience? If you can, the Q3 Monochrom might not just change your photography, it might change how you see the world. Thanks for watching Technify. Drop your thoughts below. Would you shoot in pure black and white? Or do you think color is essential? Hit that like button, subscribe for more bold reviews and deep dives, and we'll catch you in the next one. Until then, keep seeing differently.